Trust Bank has recently launched their new investment product, TrustInvest. Not only can you park your savings with the bank's savings account and use their credit cards to get cashback both locally and overseas at great exchange rates, you now can also grow your wealth all within the Trust mobile app itself. Full disclaimer, this video is done in collaboration with Trust Bank, but as you can tell from all the videos on my channel, you know I'm a fan of their product. So today I'll be sharing my honest opinions from a user perspective. Without further ado, let's dive straight into today's video. Let's go. TrustInvest has 5 funds in 3 categories suitable for all kinds of risk appetite. Starting with Cash Plus, where invest your monies in a money market fund comprising of government securities, and the performance indicator as of the end of January 2025 is at 3.13% per annum. Income Plus, invest in funds comprising of dividend-paying stocks and corporate bonds, providing a monthly dividend payout. The dividends target is at 6.5% per annum as of the end of January 2025. Wealth Plus, invest in stocks and corporate bonds to grow your monies over the long term. With this fund, the returns really depends on your risk appetite. Choosing cautious, it's at 3.81% per annum, moderate is at 5.5% per annum, and growth is at 7.59% per annum. Just take note that the returns you see on your app may vary and returns are never guaranteed. As with any kinds of investment, returns are never guaranteed and past performance is not an indication of future performance. I've always mentioned this on the channel. Understand what you're investing into, and that lets you sleep better at night. Trust Bank doesn't charge any platform fees or sales charge. Instead, we incur management fees of the fund, but from right now till 31st of December 2025, they're offering a fee rebate of 0.1% to 0.5% depending on which fund we've chosen, and that helps to reduce the management fee. Coming from a consumer perspective, I think it's great having one app that offers so much more than just a savings account or a credit card that I use on a daily basis. It now lets me grow my wealth as well. Of course, before you invest into anything, please do your own research. What I'm about to mention is how I'm managing my own money and should not be taken as financial advice. So I guess the question is, will I be doing anything on TrustInvest? Before I give you the answer, here's the thought process I use to evaluate my current situation, considering that I already have my investment set up, which I've covered before in this video, where every month I'm dollar cost averaging into an ETF that tracks the S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100. Wealth Plus is not suitable for me. And at this point, at 29 years old, dividend income is also not something I'm looking for, as I do not have a huge capital, coupled with the fact that I've tried out dividend investing myself by investing into REITs, so Income Plus is also out of the option. Instead, I do have excess funds lying around right now after exhausting tools that gives me a 4% per annum return. And the goal of this money, the objective, is to keep it as liquid as possible because I need the funds in the next 1 to 2 years. And this points me to TrustInvest Cash Plus. Cash Plus is invested into a money market fund by Aberdeen, a global asset manager managing $487 billion worth of assets as of 30th of September 2024. And they are founded in the UK in 1825. In the product highlight sheet, which you can download from the Trust app, Aberdeen's SGD Money Market Fund under product suitability says it's only suitable for investors who are looking to preserve capital and maintain liquidity and are seeking for a return which is comparable to that of the SGD short-term deposits like bank savings account interest rates, T-bills, fixed deposits, etc. It's not meant to give me big returns, as it's not the objective of the fund and the nature of things that they have invested into. Under investment strategy from 6th of March 2025, the fund will invest in high-quality short-term money market instruments, including government bonds, government bills, as well as short-dated corporate bonds, commercial bills, and deposits with eligible financial institutions. Found in the fact sheet, the top holdings of the fund are currently in MAS bills, hence it's tiered as low risk. This fund has a 0.3% management fee, and with the 0.1% fee rebate promo that Trust Bank is offering us until 31st of December 2025, the effective management fee is at 0.2%, which is pretty competitive for money market funds available out there. Fee rebates are calculated daily based on the closing position at the end of the day from the time you invest till the time you withdraw your position. Just take note that in order for us to enjoy the fee rebate promotion, on the 31st of December 2025, we do still need to have a position in whichever fund that we have chosen, and by 31st of January 2026, they will credit credit that fee rebate to our Trust savings account. My money at the end of the day is not locked in. If I really do need this sum of money, I can submit the withdrawal and upon execution withdraw for my own use, but I just need to remember at the back of my mind to at least keep a little bit in there so I still have an open position and receive my fee rebate promo by 31st of January 2026. So I'm going to set up everything right now and show you guys how it works. Along the way, if you do want to start for yourself, remember to use this promo code right over here, create a Trust savings account, and you'll receive a $10 fair price e-voucher. When creating a portfolio on TrustInvest, funds will be deducted from the Trust savings account. So I'm first going to have to fund the account with $10,000. I had initially screen recorded the whole process while doing this, but due to security reasons, the footage was all black. Anyway, after depositing, head over to Trust app, and on the top left or this block right over here, which should be empty for you if you have not done it before, select the fund of your choice, and on this page, you could also read up more about the fund details. Once you're ready, press on invest and key in the amount. After submitting, you'll receive an email that will look something like this, informing you that you're done, and all you have to do is wait for the order to be executed within a few business days, and they will send you another email informing you that it's been done. As a customer who uses Trust Cashback Credit Card on a daily basis, it's nice to have a place to park my excess cash that could potentially earn me returns similar to government bonds and bills without having to fulfill things like salary crediting or spending a minimum amount on a credit card. If you'd like to find out more about TrustInvest and the different type of funds that is available, I'll put the link down in the description box below. As always, if you have any questions, leave it down in the comments section below or direct message me on Instagram right over here. I hope you have a great week ahead, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye bye.